Welcome. If you're wondering how to let everyone call you on Telegram, you're in the right place. Maybe you've noticed that some people just can't reach you, or your call settings are too limited. Whatever the reason, this quick guide will show you how to allow calls from everyone on Telegram with just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Telegram app. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to go. Once you're on the main screen, look to the top left corner of the app. You'll see either the classic three-line menu icon or your profile picture. Tap that to open the sidebar menu. Next, from the list that appears, select Settings. This is where all your app preferences live, including privacy and security options. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap Privacy and Security. This section controls who can contact you, see your profile details, and call you on Telegram. Now scroll down until you see the option labeled Calls. Go ahead and tap on it. You'll notice a few different choices like My Contacts, Nobody, or Everybody. To make sure anyone can call you, choose Everybody. This setting allows all Telegram users to reach you directly, even if you haven't added them as contacts. After selecting Everybody, you can simply exit the Settings menu. Telegram saves changes automatically. That's it. Your account is now open for calls from everyone on the platform. It's that easy. Before you go, here's a quick reminder. If you ever change your mind, you can come back to this same section and adjust your settings again. Telegram makes it simple to switch between options anytime you like. And that wraps it up. You've just learned how to allow calls from everyone on Telegram. If this guide helped you, make sure to share it with someone who might need it. Thanks for tuning in.